Hello. This tutorial is on how to create a poll in advance of a meeting. So creating polls is something that you must have a Zoom Pro account for. If you do, and you'd like to create one ahead of time, go to zoom.us and sign into your account. Once in your account, go down to Meetings. You will need to schedule a new meeting or go into one you've previously created. Really, the meeting that you schedule is not the one that you have to start in order for your poll to be used. So I'm just going to create a placeholder meeting. And because I'm honestly not sure if when the date of the meeting matters to get into the screen again, I've set it for way out in the future. Once you've created the meeting, click Save. And on the next screen, when you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to be able to see all of the polls that you have created so far and have the option to add a new poll. So let's say I want a different poll for the next meeting that I'm going to host. So I'm going to go ahead and put my title and my question in. You have the choice for multiple choice, single choice options, or multiple choice where participants can multi-select. Once you've written your question, you can either add more or save. I'm going to add a couple of questions. So I've added a few questions and I think I'm done. So I'm going to click Save. I can see my new poll has now been populated in the list of polls I've created so far. Next, I need to go ahead and launch a meeting. So I've started a Zoom session with my alternate persona, Casey, and we're going to try the polling feature with her. The polling option is to the left of your share screen. If you can't find it in there, look under the three dots with the More button, because if your screen's not full size, it will hide there. When you pull up the poll, it's going to pull up the very first one you've ever made. If that's not the one you want, simply click the down arrow and choose whichever one you'd like to use for this meeting. When you have the correct one up, click Launch Poll. And you will see that it should show up on your participant screen. Now I will admit in making this video, it wouldn't launch every time. So if at first you don't succeed, try again. But your participants will be able to respond to your poll, and as they submit, you'll get to see their answers in real time. When you're done, click End Poll, and if you'd like to, you can share the results, and then you and your participants can see what everyone answered at the same time. So I hope you found this useful, and I wish you happy polling.